So then, Happy New Year 2020, good stuff. This is just a quick video just to show you how to load your roller out of a paint scuttle. I'll just give you a look at what paints I'm actually using. Dulux, this one. It's covered up a bit there, but this is Dulux Pure Brilliant White Vinyl Matte. I've just been doing a bit on the walls, so I'll just show you the scuttle. Now, when you fill your scuttle, you never want too much paint in it. Just enough for what you're doing. If you kick it over, you're more to clean up. But not only that, when you rest your roller on the side, it can end up sitting in the paint, which you don't want. When it comes to loading it, now I've been using it for a bit, so the paint's nicely soaked in. It's not too bad, but I need to reload it to do a bit on the wall. So I'll zoom in a bit there. So really what you do is you don't just dip it straight in the paint. It's on the side. So you go down on the side, touch the paint and back up and spin it round. So as it's touching the bottom, you're spinning round. That's loaded. So again, one more time, start going down off the side, just touching the bottom, bring it back up, roll it round. Loaded.